We are starting the stream. Let's see if everything is live. So we'll be trading futures. We will be trading meme coins. Here it is. Futures, meme coins on Solana. We'll be using two exchanges, MEXC and VOOX. MEXC has the lowest fees right now, so definitely do check it out. Link in description down below, and $6,600 of bonuses from VOOX exchange. Link in description down below. We'll talk about it a little bit more further. We'll trade both, so I'll show you everything in a little bit. I just want to share the live stream in my paid community and in my free community right now on Telegram. You can join using the link in description down below. Fully transparent, so you see everything in my stream screen. We have Blormy right now. Also I have a new X account, so we'll go there. You can follow me right now. I'm live, boys. And the goal would be to find some decent trades. We'll start with futures probably. So we have two accounts right now. We have 670 bucks on this account. We also have a little bit on one more account. We'll be calculating the stream profit right here in the calculator. So everything I make during the stream will be here. I think, yeah, this is okay. So we'll start with DEX pairs and then we'll check out some futures. So grab some coffee and let's start. I've already created a watch list. Do I have all the filters here? No, I don't. Let's go back. Maybe, yeah, filters are here. We need volume at 100,000. We need 24-hour change to be positive. We need market cap at 100K and liquidity at 100K, and that's it. That's all we need. Next up, and for the balances, again I have 5 grand on 5.4 grand on Jupiter, and I have 600 on MEXC. This is after the hack. This is what I'm rebuilding with. The goal is to hit the 100K again. I'll be withdrawing 50% of the profit, by the way, and I also will be withdrawing some of the profits to invest in community funds that I run for my community to rebuild there. So we've got the filters on. Let's go to my watch list. Main watch list, chasing highs. Chasing highs is the watch list. I already have Blormy. Let's start with Rogers. Okay, Rogers is looking good. Why didn't I buy it? Oh, it's a 5% change. We need a bigger change. I have the alert. So TNSR, let me get some water. TNSR is not looking as good. As good as it probably should. Okay, that's interesting. Imaro. This happened on the 2nd of March or February, or when is this? Oops, sorry. I want to move my camera a little bit, I think. Why is it so hard? Come on, move. Okay, I managed to move it, which is good. I think this is better. Or another thing I can do is move the chart to the right, just like so, and then move this like this, maybe. And we can have my terminal here. We can have trading view here. Okay. So it will look something like this. So we did have this nice break, but it's not good enough. Of February, so we gotta beat this level, and I think we did here, but I don't like how the volume is going down, so I will skip that for sure. This wasn't a bad trade, but it's definitely over. And here we broke this level, but I just don't like this volume. This is the issue. Lorm is going down, keeps going down. I don't know, I shouldn't really be buying more. I've already have some Blormy. Blormy. Okay, so let's check out some trading view charts now. And we will move this here. Why is this so hard? Okay, I'll do this. And then I will do this. That's better. So now it's time for the futures trades. First thing I do is I unflag everything in the system. Then I will go ahead and go on the 1 hour. I already have a screener to find me good stuff. So yeah, by the way, Zek is almost a take profit. Zek is almost a take profit, as you can see, which is good. Let's see. This is a quick $8. What we will do though is we need to find, and by the way, these are my last trades. You notice that there aren't real losses, and it is because I've updated my strategy a lot. Sorry, for futures. And on Max you can get like no fees. I'm paying no fees, that's why I'm trading there. Peanut is not ready, so we'll go to longs. Confluences long, then we'll go ahead and mark all of these with green. I've got a question though in the chat. Here. Do you guys know what we could do? This trade is 20 minutes. I think I should leave it. Here, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we've got all of these, right? So now we'll go to the 5 minute. We'll mark out the ones that were bullish on the 1 hour. And we will set some alerts. So we want plot 3 with EMA 1. Let's check out cake. I'm so happy I got rid of cake here in the morning. So plot 5 is the 200 EMA. I'm looking for perfect setups only on both meme coins. That's why I have so little trades now. I'm not interested in grabbing 100 trades or something like before, like I used to. I'm interested in, oops, this is a take profit. Look at this. This is gonna hit any second now. And we'll be up $13 for this stream. Which is a start. Okay, so here I don't really like how the EMAs are, to be honest, and you really want to have the EMA 200. So I'll fix the rules a little bit. EMA, I'll go for the 200 should be below the EMA 100. And also we need EMA to be below the 50. Okay, so that's better. And we gotta change this for the short confluences as well. We want what? What do I move the take profit? We just took profit for, why is it only $10? It was 17. Whatever. So right, plus 10 point how much? 10.6 with the fees, because I'm getting prepaid. That's $11. Profit for the stream. So I have these rules, and that's okay. It should be below the crosses, so it should be below the EMA 100. This should be above. What did I write? 50 should be above 100, so 20 is above. What did I write? This is so wrong. Is above the 50, right? 50 is above the 100, is above the 200, 200. Is below price. Okay, that's it. That's what we were looking for. So let's go ahead and save that. We'll go to long filters. There's a lot of things that are happening on the back end when you're trading. You want to make sure everything is very, very right. Here you want to have this is below, this is below, 50 is above, 20 is above. You don't really need that, so this should be above 200, and this should be below price. Okay, and now let me go to the, so what I'll do is I'll unflag everything. I'll go here, I'll go to the short confluences. We'll remove the ticker. Now we have short confluences. Let me check the 1 hour, probably none. What, we have shorts? No, there's no way, that's not a short. So 200 should be above price. 100 should be below the 200. 50 should be above, no, should be below 100 EMA. So we have, and then 20 should be above 50. No, it should be below. These are shorts. Should be below 50. So this is below, and this is below. So that should be the right one. Let me check the long again. These are things people will not show you, by the way. Screener settings, 50 is above, 50 is above, is below price. And here on the shorts, we need to be the exact opposite, which is above price. Okay, perfect. So these are the shorts that seem to work on the 1 hour chart. So we'll go ahead and add all of them. That will go to the long confluences. We'll add all of them to the chart. Now we'll go to the 5 minute chart. And first let's start with the shorts, because there's probably not a lot. We'll go to the red ones. There's 11 matches. That's interesting. Okay, we have a trade. STRK. This is the first cross. So we'll start with 1.5K of shorts. Just a small one. And then what we'll do is 707, 06, 08, 09, 09 probably will be good. 09 with 100% closing the short then there. I also refresh the page because I don't like this. Mocha, I don't like the chart. this. I'm not sure if I like the chart, but I can set up an alert if price goes here. 5 is crossing the EMA 1. So I don't like the chart. EDU, if it goes here. So this is the 100 EMA. Modang. Modang is nice. This is double size short. Modang. 3950. So let's go for 3000. This is gonna be a very small, quick trade, by the way. Very quick, small profit, maybe a few dollars. This will be the take profit, 47. So around here is the take profit. Usual, did we check the usual? No, TST. Res is nice. Res is interesting. Let's see the liquidity. I can go for a 3K short. Take profit would be super close. But these, man, they have so little liquidity. That's what I hate about these trades. These are the... So we have 3 shorts. We also open up some longs. So let's go to the longs. Now we'll go for these criteria, and this would be nice if it crosses the plot 4 with the EMA. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll check out the chat and try to help you out. By the dip, by the dip, by the dip, don't trip. EMA 4 with EMA, FXS, Kava. Kava is nice if it goes to the 200 EMA. DEX, I remember DEX is not even listed on Mexi anymore. This can be a trade. So 930, we have 1030, so that's a buy. That's a buy. But it's over. Would have been a buy, but now it's time to cry. So I'll set up this alert to cross this. We'll go for Pendo. IOTX. Drift. Drift. Pot 3, yeah, the EMA AXL. AXL already pumped a few times from the 200 EMA. This I don't really like the price action. Remove it from the list. Can go. Can go. Can be a trade. This is a potential trade. Pot 3 crossing the EMA 1. Okay, now what we can do is just check out per level, but it just became 40. Maybe we'll just wait for alerts. What if we go for shorts again? One more short. Oh, we got an alert for cake. Cake. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake, bro. Start with 1.5k. And we'll add 1.5k more. That's gonna be it. So take profit would be pretty close, I would say, to 4766. 766 might be good. Closing with limit order to have no fees. So all of this is set up. Now we checked out grass. We checked this out. You made 200 with Pixel. Oh, Pixel is good. Pixel is good. Pixel. $3,820. Okay. Has to be 21 though. But it's still gonna be good. It's still gonna be a safe trade for me. Yo, man. How's it going? Brace you down. I'm fine, I'm rebuilding. Having some fun trading. There's a screen here where chat is open. And a few personal stuff. Was my Jupiter account for meme coins. The stream. Nice. Are you trading or are you trading, Risidan? How can I call you in short, for short? I'm Niki for short. Nikolai is my long name. We just got an alert in the meantime. What are you buying? And thank you for the like, Resident. What are you buying right now? We just got an alert for ape, and then we gotta ape some ape. Ape. Buying bot. Come on. On futures, I'm just scalping, which means super minimal trades. I'll sell here, right? Something like this. The idea is to have a lot, but short trades, basically short trades, where I'll just print. I personally have Lormy. If you're wondering what I own, I bought Lormy. And maybe I should say it on the stream. Yeah, then I bought Blormy. Why don't you have Discord? I don't know, man. Telegram is, because it's Should I get a Discord? Because I've got so many things. Look, I've got a script on my Telegram. I've created so many bots to do this. I've already created scripts to do things like this on terminal. Look at this. Finding balances and stuff like that. Let me get some water. So I gotta set everything for Discord. That would be a pain. We just took profit. We just took profit on Ape. It's gonna be a small profit, but it's very good for after the hack. This will definitely help me out. Every small profit adds up. With the fees, that's 4.2. I'm up $15 during the stream. Scalping. Can probably make 50 an hour right now, and then I'll also be making money with meme coins, which is gonna be fun. I have a paid Telegram where I call out every trade I have. By the way, the link is in the description down below. Just $40 a month, I think. Keep testing. What did I want to do? I had to check out the screener. If there's a new coin. Cassius Maximus. Why are they two ones? Why are they two Cassius Maximus coins with a different price? Man, I hate when this happens. Do you understand how weird this is? First 4 hours after a pump like that, you don't trade that. 18th of February, 19th of February. So this is what we had to break. We broke it, so we'll go remove drawings. Adding this with a purple line. And then I'll add it to the chasing highs list, but it needs more to be pumpable. More volume. This is good. Remove drawings. This is good. Cassius Maximus. So this is 1st of February, so we don't need that. Oh man, I missed the trade at the beginning of the hour. So when did the 4 hour candle start? 8. At 8 there was a drop. This small drop was 7%. I missed that. That's so sad. That's so sad. If it drops to 698, I'll probably buy some. But you know what? For these, I don't know, man. Let me check the RSI. Yeah, you wanna have. You don't wanna long the first candles like this. You don't wanna do that. Yay, Pep, NSAI, SAC. Okay, that's enough. That will be enough. If we check those, needs to break here. This we'll have it to the waiting for graduations list. We already have it. Why do I have it in the non-Gucci list? It's a CTO now. I'll remove the drawings. We also have a trade. Sorry, my camera was blocking everything. You guys should tell me when I'm messing up like that. So drift is a buy, so go to MXC to quickly buy that. Drift. So gotta measure. This is 11, 14, so 8, 7. 7 would be nice. Like that. So we have 2 longs and 4 shorts on futures. Okay, let's continue with meme coins. We gotta break this. So if it breaks it, this is when it's gonna be an OG trade, right? 13 or 13-1. 13-1 break. And we'll do that for every single one. No problem, Resident. So I have a Telegram. Did you see the bots? I've created so many bots for Telegram. This is an gonna remove the drawings. And we gotta break this high, it seems. And that's it. 20th of February, that's it. Yeah, so we gotta break this high, and we are breaking it right now. So from the next hour we might be able to buy a little bit of NSAI. Sage, I don't like Sage. So what we'll do here now is we'll go to the waiting for all-time high watch list, and I'll open each of them. We have a potential trade auction. It just hit the 100 EMA. Is very good actually. You know what? I'll set up alerts on what we have to break. So here we need to break this level. So 8480. 8480. And that's break. We'll add a break. And then we'll go. You should create a Discord because most people prefer. Yeah, but did you see the Telegram? Because the issue is I've already created so many Telegram bots. Look at this. So I gotta create I've got a fair value gap finder. I've got a lot of bots on Telegram, and now I gotta create them for Discord. This is the issue. This is the issue, man. So we gotta set up the alerts. Can't be lazy now. This will take too long. This break, hey, what does it have to break? 18th of February, so it has to break this high, 6187. If it breaks it, then we'll be looking for OG trades after that. $10.13. Has to do a breakout first, and so we can buy the retest. Pythia, NAV, TRIT, and Titcoin are the next ones. Okay, so 1858 break. We need this break. In the meantime, we got an alert for a futures trades Vanna. Do we have space for Vanna? Vanna, yeah, this is, we're gonna be maxed in futures trades after. So we bought that. Now we have 4 longs, 4 shorts on futures. Here we gotta break 2537, 2540 actually, 2540 break to be there. Here, what do we have to break? I need another cup of coffee. I'm so sleepy today. 3251, 326 actually break. And NAV. We gotta break 2359. 2359. We're going for a break, and that's it. Okay, so I'll pause the stream for a little bit, cause I'm very sleepy. We already have 4 longs, 4 shorts. We also bought 1 coin, and we set up alerts for multiple ones. We have Blorm, if you're wondering. hit the subscribe button. I'll stream in a few hours. Maybe try creating a Discord with your Telegram members. I'll think, man. I'll think about. Our auction just hit profit, but I really gotta think about it. But the thing right now is that I'm trying. We made $6.66 more. So 21 bucks on stream with nothing big. Meme coins are bigger trades, obviously. The thing is that I gotta manage both, and now I'm trying to backtest and actually have value, not just build a community, but create a lot of value for the people that are here. Another profit on cake. Look at this. This is a nice profit, by the way. But I gotta end the stream. I'm gonna trade a little bit off stream. Love it with all my heart. See you next video. Hit the subscribe.